Hello. 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 All right, is this working? Are we all set up here? I think we are. I think we're all good to go. All right, we're going to be today working on updating our game, our AI game that can chase us. It learns to chase us. It learns to figure out how to come after us, and it's with real AI, like not pretend AI, like real AI. Like we're really using AI algorithms. We'll use a proximity detection function, which should be pretty easy. I think it'll be a really easy one. I'm actually really excited about this. I think this is going to be a really easy proximity detection algorithm that we're going to get started with right now. Let's go. All right, let's do it. All right, so, okay, we don't take care of those to-dos. We don't need to worry about the to-dos. I wanted to add a proximity detection. So we need to have x1 and y1. Let's create a function that does this. All right, def proximity detection. And then we need x1, y1, x1, y1, x2, y2, like that. And let's see, let's see here, Copilot disable. All right, perfect. So let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it ourselves without using any help from anyone. So I do believe it'll be like, it's going to be like x1 minus x2, and then y1 minus y2. Right, so that'll be the delta. So xd equals and yd equals, right? So you got those two variables there, and then we need to go a step further. We need to combine the deltas, because and really it's about is it, because we do need to see if the 2 points are close, right? If the 2 points are close enough. And so do we add them, or I think we add these together, right? We add the distance. Let's try it. And then proximity, well, actually let's just do the distance equals xd plus yd, right? And then we just return distance. Hey Jeremy, how's it going? You probably want to get the absolute value of them. Oh right, that's a good idea. The absolute value. Thank you, Jeremy. I saw you subscribed earlier, or what? You followed earlier. Thank you. I saw that you followed earlier. Yeah. So let's do that. Thank you for mentioning it. I forgot. We're coding together now. Yeah, we need that. We need to get the absolute value. So we need to do this. Is it ABS? Yeah, I think we should do ABS, right? We could do ABS. Followed. Yep. Cool. Jeremy, it's good to have you here. We're going to code this. We're going to make this happen. All right. So ABS, and then we just add them together, and that gets us the distance. And then we return distance. Let's see here. There we go. No, actual distance, not display distance. DIS. I need to. There we go. Perfect. So that'll. It's not a proximity. This is a distance. This is a distance function. So I think proximity. I think we just call it proximity. There we go. Hey, how's it going, Ita, Jade? How's it going? Welcome on in. Good to see ya. Today we're doing proximity detection. So when the two enemies, or when the player and then the AI get close, I want the screen to shake. Because it's like, it's scary, right? It gets scary, and then eventually I want there to be music as well that gets scary, like intense, scary music. That's what I want to do. I think that's what I want to do. All right, here we go. So this is our proximity function. Really simple, really easy. Oh, that's cool, isn't it? I thought I was really new. Hey, Edge Legendary. How's it? It's really late for you. Hello, I'm here. It's like 5 minutes. Sorry if that's a bit short. Hey, no worries. That's all perfectly fine. Hey, Muhammad. How's it going? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. We're going to add a proximity detection to our game here. So we've got the proximity function, which we just wrote. We're all nice and happy with that. Nice and happy with proximity detection. And then what I want to do is to say if it's within a certain, if we also need a collision detection is what we need. We need a collision detection as well. You could also make it a bool, so sending a threshold parameter to a distance. Oh, there you go, collision. That's it, Jeremy. We're thinking the same thing. So I want to create a collision function, def collision, and then I believe so. We need to have the size of the element, which is going to be, so we're going to do full, like legitimate, full on, 100% accurate circle collision. So you could do boxed collision, right? What's the game? The game is a game where the AI learns to chase you. Actually, we don't need it. We don't need to comment that out. So check this out. So here's the game. Let me see if it pops up here. All right, here's the game. So here's the AI. Obviously, which one's the AI? I don't know. I don't know which one's the AI. And then like the green cursor is you. And see, the AI is on easy mode right now. It's not on hard mode. It's on easy mode. And it learns. It'll learn. It'll learn to come after us. It learns. So it's really learning. You can see here in the terminal window. You can see in the terminal window the loss function and the epochs and the training epochs are happening in the background. So that's what it is. In like an hour, it's Friday for you. Eddie Legendary is already tomorrow. It's already going to be tomorrow. It's already going to be Friday. That's amazing. Time flies, you guys. Time flies. All right. So see the AI came back. It came back. And so what I want to do is when I get close, right? When there's a proximity. So I need the width and height, and then I want it to be like pixel perfect. I want like a pixel perfect collision on this, like pixel perfect. So that's the plan for today. So we need a collision function, and what is this going? So we need to capture the proximity. So we do need x1, y1. We also need, so maybe what we could just do is let's just do game. Maybe we can just do game. Game. We might change this out later. Hey, how's it going? Melodrama, how's it going? Is this the DVD screensaver? I remember it. That like bops around all the screen, right? The DVD, it bounces around and touches the side of the screen. We're always looking for it to hit the corner. It's always like that's the one thing we're waiting for. So it hits two sides at the same time. Okay, so that code was run making your stream bug out. Oh wait, was it? Are you serious? No way. Are you serious? Really? I'm gonna find out. All right, here we go. Oh, let's see. Defer pass. All right, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna try it. All right, so we go here we go. Let's see here. Live stream. I'm gonna check it out. Here we go. We're checking it out. I want to see. Oh, it does say there's a warning, so that's a problem. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Oh, is it? Oh, you're right. Oh, that's a problem. Oh, see, let me close that real quick. Okay. Is everything okay now? I don't know. Hello. Hey, Eddie Legendary. Saw you on the other side of the stream here. All right. So you're right. It is. It's causing a problem. Or is it just my internet? It could just be my internet. Let me see. So it could just be an internet thing. Oh, I see. Oh, I forgot to turn off. I didn't follow my rules. Okay, so I have a network configuration problem is what I have. It's not the game. It's not. OBS notifications may include icons. Okay. Let me see here. Just checking. All right, looks good there. We're happy there. All right, so we've got some drops. Okay. Oh, we're good now, though. I think we're good. Everything looks like it's good. It's all green. It's all green now. All right. I didn't follow my instructions. Let's see here. Oh. Okay. So I broke one of them, or did I? Is it back now? Okay. I'm just checking. It says it's good now. Okay. Looking good. 1 million frames per second now. All right. Good. Excellent. 1 million frames. Green now. All right. Good. All right. So I just need to configure my network properly. I know it's wrong. I just didn't have my network configured in the right spot. So now I do. Now we're good to go. Oh, good again. All right, good. Yeah, it was my side. It was my problem. All right, so we can run the game. I'm going to do this. We'll run the game now, and it should work perfectly fine. No stream problems. All right, so I'm going to run it right now. I'm going to check. I'm going to make sure everything looks good and make sure it works. It works. Yeah, that's the plan. All right, we're just doing some validation here, and then we're going to get back to the game development. As the network look, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. I'm waiting to see. I'm waiting to see here on my side. Look, it says excellent. Seems fine to me. Okay. All right, we're looking good. All right, so we'll let me click back over here. Back on this one. All right. We're literally your end user testing. Yeah, I know, right? Thank you, Melodrama. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, so let's pop up over here. Go over here, and then all right. All right, so everything seems nice and smooth and happy. We're good to go now. All right, so let's get back to it. So we're going to do a collision detection between two. So we'll do the AI dot position dot x is right. So AI dot, so the same thing for the y. And so let's see, distance equals proximity, and then here we go. That'll be the x1, y1, and then we do the same for the player. And it doesn't matter which order. It doesn't matter the order, I don't think. I don't think it matters the order. Here we go. All right. We could keep a comma there. I know it feels weird to have a comma there, but that'll work just fine. That'll work perfectly fine. All right, so there's our distance. And so now I need to see like the size of them. So size, right? And when it says size, this is the part where we need to play around with it a little bit. We need to see what the numbers look like when we do this. So I know there's a size, it's like basically a width. And so let's see here, size. All right, so this is the size. It's an int, 60 and 120, right? So is that the radius or the, like, I'm curious. Actually, what we could do is we can draw a circle. We can look up is it the radius? CIRCLE. Excellent. All right, surf radius. It is the radius. Okay, so it's not. That means it's half the circle length. So we just divide by 2. That's what we do. We divide by 2, and we should be good to go. Math, you guys, math. All right, so let's see. Proximity. There it is, proximity. All right, so let's see, radius. So how would we? Yeah, I think that's good. All we have to do is to see if we add the 2 together, the radii, the size. So if we have the size, so it would be AI dot size. It's just size, I think, right? Just as don't forget to hit the like button, you guys. Thank you, Melodrama Boy. Thank you. Appreciate it. That's a really good thing to say. Definitely, y'all. If you're still here from that little hiccup that we had, I need to go now. Bye. Okay, cool. Eddie Legendary. Thank you. Hey, Daft Spooky. How's it going, Daft Spooky? Player.size, and then we add those together, and we got to divide by 2. So divide by 2, and then divide by 2. Perfect. So this will give us the nearby, and then the collision will happen if the distance is greater than or is less than or equal to, right? If distance is if this is bigger or equal to, there we go, perfect. Then we return true, right? Return true. Otherwise, else return false. Perfect. FALSE. There you go, guys. All right. So I think that's it. I think we did our collision detection. Are we already getting to it? I know it sounds like maybe this is like really simple things here. No, we'll find out. We'll find out, you guys. All right. So looking good. Here we go. All right. So, hit that equal into. Yeah, I know, right? Hey, Clacky, how's it going? Clacky Oliver. Clacky Cavalier. There we go. Cavalier. Wait, Forge will be avenged. Will be avenged. The distance functions. All right, so we got a proximity, we've got distance, we got player radius. I think this is the one thing. I think that's it. And so if we have a collision, wait. I don't want it. So I do want a collision, although I want to see. I want a distance from the edges. I also want a distance from the edges. So this is something I need because the closer that you are to the AI, I want the screen to shake. Hey, you're back, Travis. Well, that was good to see you. Bro, watch Doing for Love, Living, love the content. Nice. Nicholas, thank you. Thank you, Nicholas. That's great to hear. My guy is a CEO. There we go, you guys. Melodrama. That's it. You got it. All right, so I've got this. This does a collision. This is a collision, although I want to also return. I want to return the actual. I want to see how close they are. I want to see if it's 1 pixel away or 20 pixels away, because I'm going to use that. So I need to return extra stuff. I need to return more than just true or false. So here's the distance, right? And then I need to also grab this right here. So this is I don't know. I don't even know what to call this variable. What do you call this variable? What is this variable right here? Because I want to assign this to a variable so that way I can give us a calculation. I want to calculate this. All right. So what is this? It's I guess the sum of the radius. It's the sum of the radius. It's the combined radius between the two elements. I don't know what you call this. We call it radii. I'm just gonna call it radii. I don't know what else to call it. Unless you guys have a better name for it, let me know. Radii. And then I want to return also distance minus radii. Is that it? Distance minus ratty. So distance will be bigger than ratty, right? So if it can go negative, it can go negative. So distance minus ratty, I think this is the answer. It's like watching a computer science teacher, but Steven actually knows what he's talking about. I know melodrama. We even when I was in college, I was even like many years ago, before I dropped out, I was in college and I did know some things, and I even corrected the teacher a few times, and they were cool about it. They were cool. They're like, oh yeah, you're right. They were first like, there's no way that's wrong. And it was like on a test too. I'm like, no, this is wrong. You can't do something like this. If you wanted it to be correct, this is how you would actually do it. And they're like, oh, hey, you're right. And we tried it at a computer. I'm like, hey, see, look, we'll just type it out. We'll type it out on the computer. it was a lot of fun. I thought it was really neat. So we can do this. Although I would like to say the actual distance. This is fine. I think we're good enough here. We're trying to over optimize it. I like clean code, but there's some things that we don't need to worry about here. So we got a ratty distance, true and false, right? So when we actually collide. So now when we're in the game loop, when we're in the game scene, I want to detect and then update the shake. So here's the player, and here's the AI. Is there a shake here as well? Where's the AI? The AI render AI should also have a shake. Where is it? I know it's in here somewhere, because we just did this morning. We just did it this morning. Where is it? Speed. So AI train render entity. Render entity. Wait, nope, not there. Okay, so the player shakes and the background shakes. Got it. Okay. So this will be the shake, and what I need to do is update this to match based on the proximity to the AI. That's what we got to do. So we need to get the proximity. So I want to say collision, right? Is that the function we have? Collision. All right. Game. Excellent. Collision, and it's just going to be between the AI and the player, because we only have two entities on the screen. We'll only have two entities on the screen, you guys. So collision and AI. There we go. Let's see here. I want it to be, what else here? What else? Let's think this through really quick. So let's see. What is it? Collided? That is how we say it. How do you spell that? Collided. Is that a word? It is. Here it is a word. Okay, excellent. Is that how you spell it? Is that the right way? Did we spell it properly? Okay, collided. Excellent. So we'll just say collided equals like that. So they collided, and distance. We'll do that as well. So we have the distance and collided. So what we can do is, if we shake, we can update. This is where we need to change the shake right here. We need to change the shake. So the actual shake right here. So I want to say if how far do we want to go? So we need to have like a distance. So like how many pixels? There's like 100. When we get within, say, like 200 pixels, I want the player to start shaking. So within 200 pixels. So 200 pixels minus distance, and then we do distance. Wait, distance. And then also we need to update this to do collided. We have to do that, because that means you lost. That means you failed. That means the AI caught you. So let's see here. So if the distance is it's like less than 200. There we go. Then we want to say game.background.shake. We're going to do this. We're going to update the shake is going to equal to the inverse. It needs to be equal to the inverse. So it'd be 200 minus distance, right? The other way, or is it that way? Wait, yes. If the distance, I'm just walking through this real quick. So here, I'm looking at this line of code right here. If the distance is bigger than 200, no, see, this got to go the other way around. So if 200, okay, perfect. There we go. I knew something was wrong. If 200 is less than the distance. Yes, exactly. Jeremy, you got it, Jeremy. That's it. All right. And so now that means that this should update the shake, and we should see a shake here. Not only should the screen shake by a lot, right? If you get really close, this might be a little bit overwhelming. We might need to like reduce this a bit. Just right. All right. Let's try it out. Let's see if it works. All right. Here we go. All right. Is it working? Oh, it is working. Oh, all right, we crashed it. I wasn't expecting that. Let's see. I need a log. I need to log it. Plus equals negative and positive. Can you have an? Why did it not like that? Why did it not like that? What was wrong with this? What's the error? Value error? High value greater than. Because it's a 0. Is that it? Is that what it was? Shake. How do we do this? Oh, yeah, got it. Okay. This should be fine though, right? I think this should be fine. So what if we do greater than or equal? Let's try that. Okay. Your shake is gonna get less intense the closer you get. Oh, we're doing it the wrong way. Okay, so distance greater than, got it. Max distance. Oh, unique. Okay, good idea. That could be it. Max distance. Okay, no, okay, I think. All right, so all right, it's definitely shaking. Okay, so it's shaking a lot. Oh, we forgot to undo it. Okay, I that's the thing that we forgot to do. Else, we gotta return it back to 0. We gotta return it back to 0, you guys. Else equals 0. Otherwise, it stays shaking. We don't want it to stay shaking. Okay. Write tests? I know, right? David, you're right. We should totally be writing tests. I don't know why we're not writing tests. We should be doing that. We should have a test that's written for this. All right, so here we go. So no collision. Okay, there we go. All right, let's try. Okay, so our math is wrong. It's wrong somewhere. What was the, okay, here it was. Okay. Shake equals 0. Let's see here. We need to log it. I need to log it. Let's do it. Print this. We need to print this. Perfect. Here we go. Let's see where we're at. We need to print it. I need to print shake. Actually, I want to make sure I know what this is. So, this will be shake. Excellent, you guys. Here we go. All right. So now we should be seeing shake. Okay. So shake is 0, looking good. And then still 0. It's still 0. We need, let's see. Let's restart it. The AI seems to be wandering. The AI wanders. All right. So now, okay, what was it? When it crashed? Oh, shake is less than a, what? Hold on. Why is shake? Wait a second. Why is it doing that? What? Wait, it's supposed to be a whole number. It can't be a fraction. That's messed up. We should be writing tests is what we should be doing. That's what we should be doing. We should write a test to make sure. Also, we're just going to print it for now. We're going to see what it looks like when we print it, you guys. All right. So let us also, I'm going to log this other stuff. So let's do print distance. Excellent. And then we're going to print ratty. There we go. Same. So we can see what's happening here. And then that looks good to me. Okay, perfect. Excellent. Let's see. Take a look at that. See what our output is. Okay, so ratty looks fine. Distance is not. Oh, because they're floats. We need to turn them into integers. All right, got it. So we could do that pretty easy, right? Proximity, and then we just say int, like that. Perfect. I didn't realize that they could be floats. Let's see. So that'll help a smidge, but I don't think that's going to be the solution though. I don't think that's a solution. Oh, it is the solution. See, all right, now we're getting a little too close. Right, see, perfect. All right, we did it. We solved it. We figured it out. Right, all right, we know it's on. All right, we're doing good. This is great. All right, I'm happy about that. I'm very happy. All right, that's what I was looking for. That's what I'm looking for. So it's a little too intense, though. It's a little too intense, right? Little too intense. We gotta change it. I told you it was gonna be too intense. And plus, we need to update it so the screen shake goes back to 0. We got to return it back to 0. Glad you're having so much fun, Valentine. I know, right? Isn't it neat? We're getting a little bit too. See, we're getting all right. So and we need to do it more than 200 pixels. Like 200 pixels isn't enough. It's not enough. And then also, yeah, so, all right, so that is, so, yeah, okay. All right, yep, there he goes. All right, so it's getting scary. All right, so let's do this. Let's bring it back. Let's bring it back over here. All right, so we could probably not have to print anymore. We don't need to print anymore. We do, though, I think 200 is not quite, let's see, where the scary distance. We need to define this like I guess like let's not go crazy. Let's say 500. We'll just say 500. I think that's a lot better. I think 500 is better, you guys. What are you trying to make? 0049 Ajit Ra. We are making a video game. The Last Attack. Hey, how's it going? Thank you for accepting your request. Your reason I restarted coding. Nice. The Last Attack. There we go. We're on it now. We're doing it now, aren't we? That's the right way. You got it. All right. Collide. All right. So we're making an AI, a real AI, the AI that's actually it's learning the player's movements, and then we're going to make it more difficult over time, and it's going to get better and better, and it will remember what you did, and then we'll have like different models and things like that. So that's what we're making. That's what we're making, you guys. All right, let's see here, looking good. I'm just going to click some buttons over here real quick. Clicking some buttons, making sure things look good. All right, that's fine. That's fine. All right. Let's see back over here. Okay, so let's see what that looks like now. Let's see what that looks like. It's okay. Okay, yeah. 500 is very close. It's very close. Very close. Yeah. See, interesting. All right, so 500 might be a bit. It's actually, I think it's fine. We just need to reduce the amount of shaking that's happening. It's a little too intense. All right, we got to reduce that. We're overwhelming the shake. It's a little bit too much shake. Here we go. We need to divide this. All right, so I would say by a certain amount. How much do we want to divide it by? Let's see. We'll do by. I'm thinking by like. Let's try 400. Let's see. That might not be enough. So that might be a little underwhelming. Let's see here. Yeah. See, that's not enough. We need to be more. Okay. Let's do 200. All right, 200. There we go. I think that might be better. All right. So there we go. This might be a little bit better. So we still get some shake. Are we getting any shake? Oh, yeah, we are getting some shake, but not nearly enough. So 200 is still way too much. Let's do 100. Let's see what that looks like. Do we want it to be a subtle shake or a lot of shake? See, like I don't know if you can tell, but it is shaking. It's shaking right now. It's definitely shaking. That's pretty good. I think we can make that more intense. Let's make it more intense. A little bit more intense here. All right, let's go right here. Let's see here. Let's do 20. I think 20 should be perfect. I think that's right in the middle. That's right where we're looking. We want the shake to be note. All right, so you're getting close. You're getting a little too close. A little scary. All right, see, that seems good. Okay, so now you get a feel for it. Like you get a feel like, oh, don't go towards the AI. Do not go towards the AI. There you go. All right, that's it. We did it. We achieved the goal. That was like the thing that I wanted to do. We got the AI, and see, like it's learning. It's learning where we're at. So don't get close. Stay out of sight. Stay away as far away as you can. Right? You don't want to get too close. And then let's see if we can get the game over screen. So like, oh, you're getting scared. It's getting scary. And then if we actually touch it, then it should be game over. So that's what we need to do. Let's do the game over screen next, I think. All right, so game over. Where are we going to do that at? Is it possible to add text on it? Yeah, it is. We want to do that. All right. Since you asked the last to talk, we'll do it. We'll do that now. We'll add the text. We'll add text onto the player. So I want to render text over the player. So where is it? Render entity. Here we go. I also want to draw text. And so the entity will have a name. And if you don't remember last stream, hey, we added a whole bunch of names that it could possibly be. We added a whole bunch of names over here. So let's go back to render entity and then Pygame. We're gonna draw text. I'm pretty sure we could just say draw text like this. Draw text, right? And then game screen, and then, but let's see here. Text. See, is it right here? Text. How about this? No, it's not text. How do we draw text? Oh, there's got to be a way to that. There's got to be a way here. Text. String. str. How do we? These are shapes. Oh, got it. These are shapes. Our font is it font? Pydangle.font init quit. Get fonts match font. Nope, not that. How do we draw? There's got to be like a way to draw text. I haven't done this before. I have no idea. We're gonna find out though. We're gonna find out, aren't we? We're gonna find out. Let's see. Text. Draw text. All right. Font.render. Is it font.render is what we want to do? Draw text on a new surface. Does it have to be? Does it have to be? Oh, so we need to create a font in order for this to work. mGUI for UI? Wait, what do you mean mGUI? What's mGUI? What is that? What is mGUI? I don't know. I've never seen that before. I don't know what that is. Tell me what mGUI is. So we're going to draw some text here. Is that the only way we could draw text? A library? Oh, mGUI. Is it like for Python? There we go, Python. mGUI is a Python refers to the bindings for wrappers around mGUI C++ library. Oh, nice. So it's a whole other rendering engine. Got it. Okay, yeah, for SDL2. We're using SDL2. So I don't know so this is what we're using right now, SDL2. That is currently what we're using. Because it's simple, it's easy, it works, it does what it needs to do. We don't need to get fancy. We don't need to get too fancy. Let's see here. So I want to let's see. So create a new font object from a file. I don't want to do that. I just want to draw text. I just want to draw regular text. So there's a system font. Create a font object from the system fonts. Okay. So this is probably what we could do. We could probably do this. All right. So let's go to game. All right. Game will be game. Here we go. Equals. Excellent. And then we want to add a font here. So this will be font equals system font. And then we need a font here. This is the type we want. We want this. All right. So here we go. Let's bring this back up here. I want this. Okay. So that will be, where do we want that? Probably right here. Font will be this. Here we go. Perfect. All right. Font looking good. And then we've supplied the font to the main game font. Let's see if it runs perfectly. Okay, Pygame font system font is did we type it wrong? No, this part's right. This part is on 150. Okay. So, we're missing a comma. That's what it was. Little syntax errors, you guys, little tiny syntax errors. Oh wait, no, it still doesn't like it. Font module not available. Oh, why? Wait, what do you mean font module not available? Maybe we don't. Here, I've got a better idea. Let's do Pygame draw text on screen. Perfect. Let's see. There's got to be a different way to do this. We're just making it up as we go. Screen set display mode. Font equals system font area. Oh, because we're not doing it right. So we can do it like this. So is this how we have to do it? Like that? So we almost had it correct. So let's see here. Is that correct? Okay. Nope. Still not happy. Font module not available. All right. Let's copy and paste this really quick and see if we can get some information here. Font.render. Okay. Per text surface, and then we blit the text surface onto our screen. Okay. I know how to do this. I've done this before. Do we have to do anything? I might need to import extra libraries that I don't have. So let's see what missing libraries. It seems like we have a missing library. So let's add this into our libraries. Let's see here. Oh, wait. Missing lib. Let's see here. It didn't. What? It's supposed to. Is Gemini crashing? Oh, they relaunched the new Gemini and it's not working. It's just 100% failing. It's just returning font module not available. It's just returning Stack Overflow. Isn't that weird? Oh, wow, look at that. Gemini's not working. Gemini's having some problems, you guys. What do you know? All right, Python game. Let's see here. Using 30-bit Pygame always. Okay, it looks. That doesn't help. This doesn't help. All right, we might have to figure out, try ChatGPT. Oh, right. That's it. Thank you. Why didn't I try ChatGPT? All right. Let's go do that. All right. Yeah, GPT. Here we go. All right. We're giving that a shot. We're trying that out now. Here we go. There we go. That'll work. That should work perfectly fine. Thank you. I never think about Gemini is the worst bot if you're searching for specific info. Is it sometimes? Is this still the game? You got it, Kit Kat Life. You got it, Kit Kat. You got it. You got it. This we're making the game here. Something here. Pygame CE or Pygame if you prefer. It's so interesting. Oh, import pygame.font. Let's try this. Let's try this really quick. Is it just me or Gemini getting worse? It seems like it. It got worse, right? It totally got worse. Python. Let's try this. Import. It seems like that is not working. Font fail import. Okay. Let's bring this up here a bit so we can see a little bit more. You added that from last time. Yes, this is the one. This is the one. So display font, system font, surface render. So right. Okay. Apple Silicon missing modern wheel bundle. If you built present game, uninstall and then cache purge and then install -u. All right, -ce. I'll try this. Okay. Let's see if this works. You guys. All right. Try that again. Python, and then we'll try import. Okay. It's not happy, but it's not. Oh, there it goes. Okay. All right. I think we're good now. Import Pygame. All right. Okay. That fixed it. I think that fixed it. We just missing a library. That's all it was. We just missing a library. I've been using Claude and I was Gemini and ChatGPT person for the longest time. Yeah, that's where we're trying things out. Gemini is not as good as ChatGPT and DeepSeek encoding. It's definitely changed. I like using it because it's like almost instantaneous. That's why I like using it. And so as you saw there, we waited for like a good minute almost for ChatGPT to come back. Gemini is usually like instantaneous, and so I like to go to it for simple problems like this. But in this case, I think we should be good to go now. So let's do Python game. All right. Oh, come on, really, really. Font not initialized. Oh, so maybe we have to say import font. Pygame import font. Do we have to do that as well? Maybe we have to do that. No, not happy with that. All right, we're not done yet. We're not done. DeepSeek is superior, I believe, when it comes to coding. That's what I heard too. I heard that too. I've been using a lot of Claude. All right, so we need to try this for Python. Okay, so and then import font. So that works. And then pygame.font.sysfont. Was it sysfont? Where was that at? I think it was around here. So they are also using sysfont, right? Sysfont. Here we go. Perfect. Let's try this. Let's make sure this works. Here we go. Okay, so that still didn't work. So maybe what we could do is let's do the rest of this. Let's go ahead and unimport all these. Hey, how's it go? Kit Kat, I saw you change it over there to the horizontal. I saw you change it to the horizontal screen. All right, so let's pop up over here. Let's do the uninstall. We'll remove the old. So let's uninstall this, and then we'll reinstall this. Here we go. This should do it here. Maybe. I don't know. We're going to find out, aren't we? We're going to find out. Import. So that'll take a while to boot up there. Hey, what's up, Loop? How's it going, Loop? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Google needs to fire creative engineers. Oh, wait, really? That's what they got to do? That'll make it better. How much further along are you? Oh, Kit Kat Life. So we're getting close. So I want to give it like maybe another couple of streams, and then I want to add like a level, maybe some sound effects, and then we're good to go. That's what I want to do. That's my plan. He got the screen to shake. I got the screen shaking working. It's a lot of fun. Now we're trying to get the font working. So we're trying to get the font. So that still doesn't work. All right. So we might not be able to draw text. I might have to draw. This is disappointing. I want to draw text. I want to draw text on the screen. So it imports font perfectly fine. So why is it not? Maybe sysfont isn't what. Maybe it doesn't want font not initialized. Oh, so can we do like Helvetica? Helvetica. No, font not initialized. What about font not initialized. So it's giving me an error saying that it doesn't know the font. That's what it is. Why Pygame CE? You can draw text. You have to blit it. Yes, that's what we want to do. We're trying to. That's all we're trying to do is just trying to do that. We have to blit it. You're right. You're absolutely right. We have to blit it. It's not. That's mandatory, right? So you blit here. So screen.blit on the text surface. So we'll get a text surface. We'll render the font. So we just need to get the font though. So this part fails. That's the part that fails right there. Dude is a good multitasker. Yeah, we're trying. We're trying. I see you were on a Python. Yeah, you're right. We're in the Python. You got it, Loop. I saw what you did there with the Pi logo, the Pi emblem or the Pi symbol, right? 3.14, 5.6, and all the other numbers. So this is where it fails right here. So we need to figure this out. Why does it fail right there? Or Pygame if you prefer. So let's do Pygame. Let's just uninstall this real quick. No, come back. Okay. Uninstall, and then we'll just install regular Pygame. Right, uninstall pip-y Pygame. Pip install. There we go, Pygame. There's no -y apparently, so that's fine. We'll get rid of that. Hey, Steven, did you have a chance to look over the PineScript coding language? I have not. I've not looked over the PineScript coding language. I did not find it, Python. Let's see. Can we import font and it'll be fine? And it just fine. All right. So it looks like that's, it needs to be CE. You cannot import font from partially installed module, most likely due to circular import. Okay. So let's try -CE and see if that helps. And let's see if that works any better. Python import font this time. All right. So now it imports font perfectly fine, probably, right? It's not going to crash this time, right? Okay, see, it didn't crash that time. We're good to go now. I told you, but it was cool. Wait, UniqueX. It is pretty neat. It's pretty neat. I like it. All right, the GM, what we want to do here is we're trying just to get text going. So the only thing is, import sys. Do we need sys? Why do we need sys for? Sys.exit. That's not necessary. Did we init? Do we need to do init first? We need to init the font. That's what we got to do. We missed a function. That's what it. Hey, Torva, how's it going? False? What do you mean? Get init. We need to init first. Okay, so let's do Pygame init. And then, there we go. Pygame init, and then get font init. All right, there we go. All right, we're figuring things out. We're figuring it out. Okay. So here we go. Now, all right, so init, where's that at? Okay. Paste. There we go. Perfect. So we need to initialize the game before any of the other stuff happens, I think. That's what we need. People say you should speak to native speakers to learn language faster. I've heard about it. So, Steven, how many hours did you spend in the jungle with pythons? Torva. I mean, technically, no hours. Well, some hours in the jungle. I was kind of right. Bot? Are you talking about bots? What bots? You were, Loop. You were definitely... you're definitely right. Okay. It's strictly the language of the trading view. They have a manuscript, and the only place you'd find it, it's very helpful for algo trading and signals, not backtesting. Got it. Inspire. It's the language for that. It's okay. Got it. So that's what the language is for. That makes a lot of sense. Thank you for describing PineScript. I was actually really curious about that. Thank you. Good to know. All right, so now we should not have a crash anymore, right? So Python game. No crashing. Hey, it didn't crash. All right, perfect. See, all right, here's the game, and then as we get, wait. We got a bug. We got a bug somewhere. There's a bug. The screen used to shake. Where the screen shaking not happening anymore? The screen isn't shaking. What happened? Is it because we're using CE now, and then it's different? So shake. Did we turn off shake? What if we set shake to 100 just when we boot the game? Let's see if it works when we boot the game. No, it's not shaking anymore. What happened? Oh no, we regressed. We have a regression. AI background shake. Okay, so what happened, you guys? What happened? Here, let's just do this. We'll make sure it's always shaking. All the scenario, it's always shaking every single time. Let's see. What is the shake? Let's see here. Is there tensor loss? Okay. All right. What's going on here? All right. We can fix it. We can fix it. We can fix it. Why is not printing shake? What was it not? I don't see the word shake anymore. Shake isn't even printing. We're rendering the player, right? We're rendering the player. Font. All right. Let's see here. Font. Pygame font. Sounds good. Font. I'll just say is none. Font equals none. Let's see here. Okay. CE has a bunch of differences. Is that what it is? That's what it is. CE is different. You can fix regular Pygame fonts by doing file path to the font. Oh, really? Okay. Okay, got it. Okay. Got it. Okay. So that's what I would like to do because I want that's what happened. All right, so uninstall. Let's get rid of that. So let's do install regular Python. And then we will see here, regular font. So we'll say font none. Let's see what happens when we run this. Let's see what happens when we run it. So regular font. So we didn't do a system font. Okay. So, oh, and our shaking is still broken. Our shaking is still broken. So maybe it wasn't the problem with CE. Maybe CE wasn't the problem. What did we do? How did we break it? We broke it. I know this is like the one thing that we had planned for today was to get the screen shaking to happen, and we did it. It worked. It did. We saw it. We saw it earlier, and now it's just not. It's not anymore. It's not shaking anymore. Let's comment that out. All right. So so this is interesting. So this isn't printing. So let's see here. Let's turn these off because I don't need that right now. Where's this? So the only thing there is a shake. There, perfect. Okay. If you're facing a problem, try Pygame GUI. Oh, is that even better? Hey, we got a subscription. Bob. Hey, Bob Mustafa. Thank you for your subscription. Oh, I know what's going on. I'm pretty sure. Yes. I figured it out. Oh my God, this is so silly, you guys. This is so silly. I'm in the wrong folder. That's what it is. All right. I know what's going on. All right, here we go. We're gonna go to the right folder. So cd/projects AI game. Here we go. Tmux. Now we're in the right folder. Now we can do it properly. So this will be Vim. I'm so silly. The whole thing was working the whole time. We're totally doing it wrong. Pygame GUI. Cool. I'll try that. So far we're looking good though. We're looking good. So let's see. Pip install Pygame. Let's do regular Pygame, and then we'll do, this is Vim, so v dot perfect, excellent Pygame. And then we're going to go run. So this will be the run window. Here we go. All right. Next. The jam. I know, isn't it crazy? This is the silliest problems. Because I moved it to a different directory is what I did. This will be run. Okay, so let's type that correctly. Run. Perfect. And then we do Python game. So that's the, all right, so let's go back to font. Let's see here. Let's comment that out. Let's comment this out. And then jump over here. Okay. And then rand. Okay. Okay. Got it. So let's bring back our shake. Our shaking. Well, let's bring this back. Shake, print, shake. Blah, blah. We turn that off real quick. No shake. Let's turn this off. All right. Looks good. Okay. All right. Make sure everything. We want to make sure all this. Oh, draw text. Where is that? Text. Font. Okay. Font render game over. Is this true? All right. So render game. Oh wait. Draw. What line was that on? Line 213. Okay. 213. GG. Here we go. That's what it is. Okay. So we do need to figure this out later. But we'll deal with that later. Pygame. Okay. Perfect. All right, now we're doing good. Okay, so now we're back to the good standing, and we just need to get our shake back, which would be right around here. All right, perfect. Is this it? Yes. Okay, perfect. Clyde Graham shake is equal to shake if, and then excellent else. Else. No, we don't need that. We don't need that for this. Okay. So now we should be back. Okay, yes, we're back. There we go. It's a little too intense now. See, it's shaking. That's what we're looking for. And then only when we get close. All right. I love that so much. I love that. It's so like way too intense. All right, so we'll work on the text later. Although I guess we could get back to it really quick because now we're editing out of the right folder. So shake, where was it? Oh, here we go. Let's get this back to 20. Let's do 10 because the extra shaking was actually very satisfying. It's a library for better graphic interface. It works. I've used it. Okay, pygame_GUI. All right, let's do that. I'm actually getting curious. Pygame. Let's see, Pygame GUI. I'm curious about this. All right, so Pygame GUI is a module to help you make graphical user interface games written in Pygame. The module is firmly forward-looking and designed to work on Pygame 2 and Python 3. So is this like the next generation? Is this like the next generation? So let's see. Let's do a quick start. I'm going to read the quick start real quick. All right. Let's try it. Let's do it. Okay, so uninstall all of them, and then we'll do GUI_GUI. All right, let's try it. Oh wait, because we're installing it. Over, delete, done. There we go. Right now it looks like you might lose because you shake into it. Yeah, that's it. Jeremy, you're right. If you get too close, you can shake into it. That's part of the challenge. It's part of the challenge. It's a little too shaky though. You're right. It's a little too shaky. So let's see. Do Python game. Is it going to work now? I think it's going to work. All right. So it's loading. It's trying extra hard. It's doing even more. There it goes. Okay. All right. Perfect. Okay. Yes. There we go. Excellent. That's what we're looking for. So you're a little too close. You're shaky. All right. Shaky. A little too close. All right. Yeah. It's getting scary. Don't let the AI see you. All right. So that is a bit much. It is a bit much. So what I think I be careful. We got to be careful. All right. Perfect. It's excellent. Okay. So I think we're back to it. So let's see if we can get the fonts going. Now. All right. Let's see here. Let's see font and then init font. Let's see if that works. Is it going to work or is it going to crash? No, it works. It works good. All right. Good. All right. Perfect. Shake. All right. So let me see the shake here. So the shake is interesting. So it gets a little bit and then, all right. So yeah. So if you get close, if you stay close. All right. I'm pretty happy. That looks good. That's fine. Okay. Good. That's what I'm looking for. Excellent. We're on to the right path. That looks really good, isn't it? It looks scary. I know. It's amazing. I think it's really exciting. All right. So what we need to do is we need to say vi requirement. We got to spell that right. requirements.txt. And we'll say pygame_GUI because it's better. And there. Get add.get status get commit-am. We added screen and player shake on proximity, which is the whole thing on proximity between AI and player. Excellent. Perfect. Push main. No, let's see. Not that. All right. Get push origin main. We got to spell origin, right? Origin. All right. Perfect. We did it, you guys. We did it. All right. So what else? So we've got the font. Let's see if we can render the font, and then we'll call it a stream. We'll call it a day, and then we got other fun activities to go and adventure onto. Some other fun adventures to get onto. All right. So what else here? So render. We're not good. We don't have to put that right now. Where was that? So font. Here we go. Let's do syst font. What if we? So let's try this. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see if that initializes fine. We got to run git game here. Pygame. Perfect. Pygame. It works. It initializes. It doesn't crash anymore. Very nice. All right. Perfect. So now we can draw that onto the screen. We can draw it onto the screen, you guys. All right. So let's bring this up here. Looking good. Collision, proximity, all the things that we needed. Okay. So here's text. Here's what we only need. We do. Okay, so probably we want to create, so we've got a font, and then do we need to, the text and blit? Okay, so we have to rasterize the text. All right, so this is perfectly fine. I think we're good to go here. So all we got to do is grab the font from the game and then draw it on the text, on the player. So here, Pygame draw text game screen. and then render text. So we got to render the text here. So let's see here. Text. Is it blit to screen? So let's do this. Position? No. Here we go. So game.screen.blit. Text. And then we have the player name. So this will be game.player.name. And then this we'll do white. Perfect. We'll do white. Perfect. All right. And then where's the font at? Where's our font? Our font is under game. So this will be font. Perfect. Looking good. Font there. Then we initialize font. So we'll try that. Looks good. Pygame. We don't need this. We already have the font. This will be game.font. I think that's it, right? Game.font. Yep, that's it. Game.font. .render game over. And then game.font over here as well. Perfect. Perfect, you guys. All right, so draw the circle, text, and then add the text. But we need to do it. We need to add it where the player's position is. We got to add it where the player's position is, you guys. Hey, who is that? Medi. Hey, Medi. Thank you for your subscription. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. We're building an AI game, a real AI game, not pretend AI, like real AI. Like we're actually using AI. You can see our model right here. Model. See the real model right here. Here it is. Here's a model, right? And then we train the model. So we're using Pytorch here. And it's so fast it doesn't even need to run on a GPU. It works perfectly fine on a CPU. Perfectly fine on a CPU, you guys. All right, so where was that at? Here we go. Text game. All right. So we blit the text, and we need to put it somewhere. So it's got to go in a specific spot. All right. So is there a comma? That's what I thought. All right. So this is the XY, or is it? Where is it? Is this interesting? What is going on here? Is it? So it requires a tuple. Is that really screen.blit? So it requires a tuple. Is that it? So game.width. So this will just put it to the center of the screen. This will just put it to the center of the screen. Let's try it. And then we'll update it to go on the player. So let's try it real quick. Here we go. Game.py. Is it going to crash? Is it going to crash? Does it work? Okay, perfect. Perfect. It worked. Hey, and look. Sorry. So it'll be the name. So we'll update it. We'll update it. So, and we probably need to reduce the font size. All right. So we need to put that where the cursor is. So player render entity and then entity.xy, right? So we've got a position for the position, right? So entity.position. Wait here. Blah blah blah. Position. So how do we grab game entity? Perfect. Okay. Position equals entity.position. There we go. That's what we're looking for. And then I want it to go right. We'll just do this. Position.x and then position.y. I think that's it. I think that's all we got to do. Y. Perfect. Perfect. Delete that. And then we need to make this a tuple. Apparently it's got to be a tuple. So here we go. Dot like that. Perfect. I'm going to make it prettier. Making it prettier. Excellent. Excellent. All right. So I think that's good. I think we're good to go now. Let's try that. So that should appear over the top of our circle. Hey, there we go. It appears over the top of the circle. Perfect. And it even gets scared. Oh, say it right. Oh, we get the AI. The AI needs to have its own name. So we got to grab the name from the AI, not the player, or from the entity. From the entity, you guys, instead of from the player. All right. So text is going to be game screen color entity position entity size. No, that's okay. Here we go. Not player name. We need it to be entity. Here we go. Entity. Excellent. Entity. Aha ha ha. Aha ha ha. Now we're at it. I'm good. Now we're doing good. I know the jam. It's happening. It's real. We did it. I got it. We did it. I'm actually really excited about it. So 30 is called. It's gonna go. Let's do 20. Let's try 20. See what that looks like. All right. Then we need to like center. Our 20 is good, but it's just a little too small, I think. A smidgen too small. Right. So you can see that's the AI. All right. Perfect. Perfect. All right. So we need to center it as well. So we can do that. We can absolutely center it. Let's do 26. Let's grab that in there. And then we'll do centering. Let's center the text. I want to keep going. I want to keep making this happen, but I do got to get going, you guys. I do have to get going. Let me check to see if everything looks good here real quick. Do we have a few more minutes? It looks like we do. It looks like we have a few more minutes, you guys. It looks like we got a few more minutes. All right, perfect. So let's center the text. Let's do that. I want to get the text centered. I have desires for this entity. All right. So where to do the text position, and then we need it to be so we know what the size is, right? So we want it to subtract x, right? By x, we need to subtract x by the font. It's also by the font size, right? So there's a size to the font. There is a size to the font. How do we do this? So let me bring this back. Text width. Perfect. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. 999 redo. Perfect. There we go. Oh, is there not an align property? Oh, Jeremy, in the text field, is there? I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Is there? I don't know. Hey, anything. Hi, do you use generative AI? I do. I do use generative AI. It's really worth it. AZ anything. I use it all the time. I use it every day, except for when we're on the stream. I don't use it too often because it's more fun to type it out. It's more fun to type it. It's more fun to type. Oh, wait. Let me bring that back. Y99 redo, paste, get rid of that over here. And then we've got text.get height and get width. So we need to subtract the half. We need to subtract half of this from the position. Perfect. All right. So let's bring this over here. Grab that. And then we'll make it pretty. We'll make it pretty. Actually, I like to do it like this. Let's do it like this. Like this. Perfect. Like that. And then we subtract the height by 50%. Perfect. Perfect. A minus 50%. Perfect. All right, we did it. Not that I'm aware of, but you're using GUI, so maybe they do, right? They might consult the ancient texts. I know, right? I'm used to doing everything manually because this is what I did back in the early days. So let's see here. Text. Oh, there's a text effects. Oh, this is gonna be nifty. Okay, align. There's no align. Let's do a search. We'll search for it. Search. ALINGN. Align. There is some sort of alignment. Text package. It says there is. It says there is. Align. Center. Left. Right. Oh, what? Oh, what? Hey, all right. So align center. What is this? How do we know what this is? How do we know what align center is? Is it a alignment? So you're right. You're 100% right. So maybe it's like that's an enum, right? It's an enum, but I don't know what value it is, and I don't know where to grab the data from. So you're right. All right, let's try that. Let's try that first. Let's try it first. So instead of modifying this here, so we'll just comment this out for now. And then comment that out. So let's make sure it still works. Let's make sure it still works. Okay, so see how it's not like centered? It's not centered right now. So let's see if we can get it centered. So we'll use the alignment. Where is that at? So is it under render? GUI core text horizontal rule layout rectangle? Wait, no, that's not what we want. We want text. Here we go. GUI core text horizontal rule layout rectangle. I don't know how to do horizontal rule layout rectangle. I don't know what that is. I don't think that's what we're looking. It's probably possible to do, though. I don't know how to do that. It's there. We're consulting the ancient text right now, though I don't know how to do it. I'm just gonna do this manually real quick because we do have to get going. Where was that? Here we go. Height divided by 2, and then this will be width, right? WIDTH. Perfect. All right, we'll throw a comment at the end of that. Okay. Is it centered now? Is that all we had to do? I think that's it. It is. It's perfectly centered. Nice. We got it centered, you guys. It's centered now. Look at that. We even got we've got some names in here. Quantified quantum. Check that out. So there you go. Quantified quantum. All right. We did it. We did it, you guys. Success. I call that a good day. Oh, we got to run away. The AI is coming for us. You can ask the GPT that will kill the fun of learning. It does. It kills the fun of learning, right? It's a lot of fun to like learn it all together and learning it all right. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shakety, shakety, shakety. I love that. Shakety, shakety, shake. We do have to, there we go. Yeah, I like that. Okay. So we're doing fine. Okay. All right. So Oh, what I do want to do one thing really quick before we get going. So I do got to get going, you guys. Thank you for hanging out today. Thank you for spending time with me. We'll be doing more game development tomorrow with AI, more AI game development tomorrow. Let's see here. So let's bring that back. I wanted to, what did I want to do? Oh, right, the shake. So the screen position, the shake, this part right here, this needs to go back to, was this it? This is render player. Okay, so I need this. Here we go. So if, then the background else is going to be everything back to normal. We want to go all the way back to normal. All right, so that means no background shaking. Hey, how's it going, Joshua? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. We're just wrapping up real quick. We're wrapping up. Let me see. This is what I wanted to double check because the background, like when it gets shaky. Okay, good. Looking good. Yep. Looking good. Yep. Okay, cool. Yeah, I wanted the background to go back 100% because it was like left over. It was left over, you guys. Left over. All right, so let's close that. All right, I think we did it. I think that was it. We achieved our goal. We did proximity detection. It's scary now. We'll play it one more time. And then also when we add collision, the game over screen should draw. See, right? It's just scary. It's like, oh, don't stay away. Stay away from the AI. Oh, you know, you're not supposed to get close. If you get close, something bad's gonna happen, right? Something bad's gonna happen. Say, oh, it's coming for us. It's coming for us. No, stay away. Stay away. No. Yep. See, there we go. See the AI. See, it's learning. It's learning, you guys. It's learning. And this is just like level 1. And it will get better. And it will remember over time. It'll remember, you guys. So that's one of the other things we got to do. Stay away. Stay away from there. Isn't that cool? I think it's so much fun. Oh, whoa. Oh, you almost got us. So I do want to also... All right. I don't want to stop. I want to keep going. All right, here. So let's add in one more thing. What was it? What was the other thing I wanted to add in really quick? Collision. So if we collide, then I think we should do a game over screen. All right, let's see if we can do that. So where is this? So here's our game that we're doing. Play. Is play? Yeah, it is. It's definitely play, right? So state play. All right, state play. So all we have to do is check to see if the player collides and then return, and that will be under the game scene. Here we go. So so we're going to do this set let's see. That just adds a squeezing effect, adds a lot of tension. Ooh, that might be interesting. Wait, not that I'm aware of, but you were using GUI, so maybe that do consulting. Oh, we read that one. We read that text. Okay. Tension for squeezing. That is an interesting idea. That's another good one, right? Because set it to auto mode so it says running and learning. And also add button to restart. Yeah, you're right. We got to add a button to restart. We do. You're totally right. We do. We will need to do that. So let's see here. We first need to see Copilot disable. All right. So if we need to, so collision. Where's our collision at? Where's that happening at? It is happening. It's here. This is it right here. So render player. This is where we want to do it. So, if collided, then game.state equals, what is game over? What is game over? I forgot what the game state is here. It's just called game over. All right. Perfect. I want to say it like that, game over, with a space like that, because it's perfect. It's perfectly fine. We're not doing anything crazy here. So state. All right, there we go. Game over. If collided, game over. And then what happens? I don't know. I think the game might crash. I don't know. The game might crash. What do you think of Sam Altman? Person, human being, person. That's all I know. It's a person. Ooh, so the AI is like right off screen, right? It's right off screen. It's going to come back to us. It'll come back. I'm Sam Foo 5025. He's a person. I think also some experience. He's got experience in software engineering a bit. All right, let's see. Will it work? Oh, nothing happened. Oh, no, it worked. Although the collision, it crashed. It ended. That was it. That was the end of the game right there. Oh, you can't recover from that. The game will close. Like complete end. Complete and utter ending. All right, let's see here. Oh yeah, collision. Collided. Okay, so that is based on the radius, the radii colliding. I want it to collide. Good, bro. Yeah, isn't it? I think it's neat. We did it. The game over screen happens very quick. It happens very quick, right? So that's fine. That's fine. See, you can touch it a smidgen, but if you get too close, see, I want it when, so it'll happen as soon as like right now. Wait, it should happen now. Okay. So it's, the collision isn't good enough. The Python, the best language to learn first? Yes, it is. Bastis, you're right. Bastis, Basti Fantasy. Hey, Basti Fantasy, good to see ya. Python is the best language because it's easy. Set player to AI so it plays itself and keeps learning. That could be another thing. That could be another thing we do. I love it. I love the idea. I like it. There's so many great things that we want to do. There's so many games. All right, so the collision is not happening as much as I want it to. Here. The ratty, see, here's the problem. The ratty isn't quite what I'm looking for. So it's maybe, how do we want to do this? Python is not safe if you're not a pro. So Python is a good language to start learning as your first language because it's simple to understand, it's easy to read, and you don't have to get bogged down by a lot of the syntax from other languages that will confuse you, and other mandatory primitives in other languages that are required in order to achieve even small tasks. That's why Python is really great. Python, yes, you're right. It will not have any heavy safety guardrails, so it's very easy to make major mistakes, and it can cause catastrophic problems. The good news is it's very flexible. So if it'll help you achieve what you're looking for, even at the cost of some stability, which is okay. Distance, sum of radius of both circles. Is that what it is? Is that what you got to do? So that's what the problem is right now. Yeah, you got it. That's what the problem is, where our distance calculation is the issue. The sum of the radius. Okay, so we've got our size. So this is the radius. Or what? Wait, hold on. Was that the radius? We're dividing by 2, and we shouldn't be dividing by 2. So here's the sum. All right, perfect. So that's the sum. Okay, let's try this now. Let's try it. So this should work perfectly as soon as they touch. Right? As soon as they touch even a pixel, even one little pixel. Nope. All right, it's still not good enough. Hey, 200 joules. Thank you. Hey, Joshua, thank you for the 200 joules. I appreciate it. That's really great for you. I don't know what the deal is with that. I still don't know what that is, but it's great to see it. Thank you very much. I'm actually kind of curious. I'm going to look that up really quick. I'll see here. Click a button. Are we looking good? What is that? It just says the same thing. I don't even know what that is. Hey, everyone. So glad to have you here. We're making video games today. That's what we're doing. We're making video games, you guys. It's kind of exciting. I'm actually really excited about this. All right. So here we go. Video games is happening. It's video games. So here's the sum of the radius. So this should do it. I think this should do it. The problem is maybe we need to multiply it by 2, maybe. So the radii, let's see if, or let's multiply it by 2. Let's see here. This is good stuff. What language engine is this? This is just, you want to learn Unity? Unity is great. Unity will give you C#. So you'll be learning C#. Talking Ball, you'll be learning C# with Unity, which is great. It's perfectly fine. Powerful language, very fast and efficient. It's one of my favorite languages. I love C#. And this is Python. We're doing Python in Pygame. We're using Pygame. It's very easy. It's very simple and clean. Oh, that happened real quick. We got an instant game over. All right, let's see here. All right, so okay, so it is not multiplied by 2. All right, so it's weird. Okay, let's see. Multiplied by 2 means it's too close. All right, see here. It's not. Okay, so let's see here. Probably we're not calculating the collision at the right spot. I think that's what it is. I think we're not calculating the collision at the right spot. So we need to calculate the collision when it's, so here, see, perfect. Okay. So we need to recalculate the collision is what we got to do, because we shook, right? So we need to calculate the collision another time. right? We got to calculate it one more time. We got to calculate it one more time because we're shaking, right? We moved the player. It's double use. Okay, so this should work. This should work now. Okay, it worked better. It worked better that time. It didn't work perfect. It didn't work perfectly. All right, so here we go. So see how it's shaking? So it is touching. I see it touching, but okay. I want it to be a little bit more sensitive than that. A little bit more sensitive. So let's see here. Game collision, shake, distance. How do we do that? You are ending the program when collision happens. Yeah, I know. That's what you have to clear the objects on the screen. Maybe we're intentionally ending it. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Because we will have like a reset and there'll be a full game loop, right? So we got our game loop down here. The game will actually render game over and then it exits. So this is the exit. So it delays. It delays by 3 seconds and then it closes. So that's just how the game is right now. It'll be better. It'll be better. Like instead, like after 3 seconds, it'll restart the game. You know what? How about we do that? How about we just restart the game? All right. Game.state equals play. All right. So there we go. Perfect. All right. So now when we die or when the player loses, when we collide, and it will restart after 3 seconds. See, there restarts after 3 seconds. Boom, game over again. Now that'll restart. It'll restart. Boom, 300. It's coming back for us. It's coming. It's around there somewhere. We can see it because it's off screen. It's only just off screen, just a smidgen. It's just off the screen, a smidgen. You subscribe, brother? Nice. Hey, Talking Ball. Thank you. Thank you for your subscription. Keep it up. I'm at work and need to go, but I'm also at work and I need to go too. I need to get going too. Or there's the AI. It's coming for us. Up. Game over. And so it happens. Let's see here. When my mouse cursor actually touches the edge, and I think I want it to be a little bit more than that. So right. So see, it's get right on the edge, right? Okay. So I think that's good enough. I want it to be a little bit. I want it to be a bit more. Like see, I don't. Hey, how's it going, Yashwan Gurn? Polly. Gurnapol, I don't know if I say your name correctly, but thank you for joining in. Happy to have you. Thank you for your subscription. We are making games here with real AI. It's like the AI is actually chasing us. It's real AI, really chasing us. All right, so I'm just going to mess around with this really quick. See if it looks good. Looks good. All right, so we're not touching. Are we touching a little bit? We're touching a smidgen. We're a smidgen. Okay, so there we go. All right, so that we're on the right track now. We're right on the right track. Right about the right track. I want it to be more touchy though. I want it to be more touchy than that. So where was that? Let's see here. Where was it? Was it shake? Okay, we need to go back to shake. This is all right. So it gets shaky here. It gets very scary. I want to bump that just a smidgen down. Just bump that a smidgen down, and then we're recalculating the collision on the state there. However, I want it to be a little bit better. I want to collide it better. I need to see collision better. Can you make a public repo? Yes, I want to work on this in free time. Nice. It is. It's a public repo on our Discord channel. On our Discord, you guys, if you just jump on our Discord server here, jump over here to our Discord server under free resources. It's right here on the link. I click the star button right here on our Discord server. You just click the link and you're good to go. I'm new here. What kind of AI game are you building? Hey, Julian King 4443. The AI game is a very simple game. It learns to chase you. It learns to follow. The AI is following you. And it's in easy mode right now, although we can make it go into super hard mode and it gets really good. It's surprisingly amazing how good it is. And it's really learning too. Like this is not like pretend AI where we coded the algorithm ourselves. This is the AI is actually learning to follow the player. It's actually learning to follow a player because we're really doing it, right? So we've got this train section, right? So here's the AI and here's where it's training. And then you can see it. You can see the AI right here. This is where it's training. So it's legit AI, not pretend. It's like real AI. We're really doing it. Our real intelligence. And then I added like a shaking effect today with proximity. So let's see here. Is that okay? Yeah. So I want it to be a little bit more touchy than that. That's what I want to do. So then we got to get going after that. Are you using an import for the AI? Yes, we're using Pytorch. You can see here on the screen, Pytorch, right here, Pytorch, right here. Pytorch, boom. Pytorch right there. Right here, Pytorch. And there you go, Pytorch. Cool. Yeah, that is pretty neat, right? It's a real legitimate framework. Okay, so let's also, I wanted to update the collision so it's just a little more touchy. I want to touch a smidgen more touchy, you guys. Size, yep, radius, when the radius is good, okay. So the distance minus radius. So this is the distance here. I want to print the distance. See here. Distance. This is what I want to print. Distance. And I want to be able to, I need to math this out. I think the proximity function needs to be slightly different. Although we're gonna find out. So like, see, distance, okay, is, all right. Let's start that over. Distance is, let me see here real quick. So we can see here on the screen, we can see what the distance is. It's very far away. Very far away. Is it coming back towards us, or is it leaving? Is it going to come back? So we can bring it. Is it? It's going further away. Oh no! Now it's coming back towards us. It's coming back towards us now. You can see. Side quest. Can you do CAD Robotic? What is that? What is CAD Robotic? What is that? What is CAD Robotic? I don't know what that is. I don't even know what that is. I've never heard about that before. What is it? All right, so let me see here. The distance when we get close. I need to turn off the shake. Okay, so the distance is, got it. Okay. Let me think about this for a second. So if our distance is that, and then what is our radius? Let's see, a radius. What is radii? I want to get this back. Radii, here we go. Then I got it going, radii. Let me check to see if we look at. Okay, I think we're in this. We're okay. We're okay on time. We do have to get going though. Even YouTube subtitles are not that fast. Oh, hey, I just saw your message. Sorry. It takes this 40-plus-year-old Python a great language to learn. It is. It's a great language to learn. Not the best if you make it games, but super good for Godot language. And Godot too. It works for Godot. I'm impressed by your real-time subtitles that you made. It's amazing. Thank you. I know. Isn't it great? They work even better than YouTube subtitles. I know, right? I know. It's because we made it. It's running on our technology. It's running on my business's technology. That's why it's so fast. If you want to be a sensitive distance, it should be calculated from the center AI to the center and to player's AI mouse. Yes, that's exactly what we did. So we've got the X, Y, and coordinates of the AI and the player's position, which is the cursor, right? The mouse cursor right here. We got the mouse cursor. And then this will give us the distance between the center. Now we want the radius. So this is the radius, I believe. This is the radius. Let me check here. Draw circle. Let's double check. So let's see here. Draw. Let's go up to draw really quick. Draw circle. And then I believe circle is around here somewhere. Here we go. Let's draw circle. And this is going to be a function that says radius. Okay. So this will be the radius. Excellent. So let me turn off the shake really quick so we can see what that looks like. So where's the shake at? We'll disable the shake. We'll disable the shake here. If shake. So there's no shake. You know what? Let's turn it to 0. Turn it to 0, you guys. Where did it background shake? Where? So render player. Okay, perfect. I think let's do that. But I need to turn this other thing off real quick. We don't need this here as well. So we'll turn that off for a second. Are you using Tinker for the UI? Tinker for the UI. Oh, it is looking good. So we already did it perfect. It's already perfect. It's pixel perfect already. It's already pixel perfect. It's just that when it shakes. Yep, see, we're looking good. That's actually pixel perfect, you guys. Pixel perfect. Okay, so it's the problem is when we shake, when the screen shakes. Oh, another game over. Instant game over. Instantaneous game over. Come back. Get back over here. But when it shakes, the player shakes and the mouse doesn't. Oh, that makes a difference. You're right. Okay. So that's probably the part that we're missing. We also need to add winning conditions. Right now, there's only losing conditions. Can somebody without programming knowledge use AI to program? Yeah, absolutely. So as soon as I touch it, all right, I'm touching. Okay. So it's not quite, it's pretty sensitive, but it's I want it even more sensitive. I want it even more sensitive. All right, let me see here. Come back over towards us. Shake radius distance. I want the distance here. Distance and the radius is a 180. All right. So it's almost, okay. So I need to add a few extra pixels. So what I got to do, just a few extra pixels. And then we're good. So like right here, it's giving it a little bit of a grace, and I don't want the grace. I want it to be perfect. I want to act exactly perfect. Proximity function is actually pretty straightforward. So I'll give you a short proximity. Here we go. Here it is. Very simple. It's a very simple calculation. Super simple. Take a look at proximity function. There you go. Lord, I would learn data structures for any programming language before. It's good. It's a good idea to do. It's good to have some data structures in there. Just a smidgen of data structures. Good idea. All right. So it's very simple proximity. So the collision is here. Then we calculate the radius and the distance. And I'm fine with this. This part's fine. So I think the collision is, I need to add in a little bit more here. So I want to add like 10. Let's see what happens if we add 10. Let's add 10 in here. Square. Oh, wait. Oh, no, we got to subtract 10 is what we got to do. We got to subtract 10 maybe. 1 second. I saw, sorry, your message showed up. What did it say? Square and X before summing. Oh, you got to square it. Wait, really? Oh, really? So I got to multiply them by each other before summing? Okay, compare against radi squared. Okay, squared. Oh, okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so here, so square before adding. So, let's see, times themselves? Wait, do we want to, does square, wait, hold on. That wouldn't make, does that make, okay, well, that doesn't make any sense. Or does it? Does it? Does that make sense? Are you sure? Oh, wait, so that's the size. And then so the proximities here. Okay. Got it. Okay. So you're saying you want to like that? Is that what you're saying? Like this? Square it. So there, we squared it. We squared it. XD and YD before summing. All right, there we go. No, don't square that. Then it will, gravity and will not compare gravity. We're going to see what happens. We're going to try it out. We squared it. Okay. That definitely didn't work. That definitely didn't work. Yeah, definitely not working. It doesn't like that. We can play around all the day here. All right, so that didn't work. Hey, we're trying stuff out, you guys. We're trying stuff out. Oh, whoops. Let's see here. Close that. Looks good. All right. I closed the window accidentally. All right, so oh, nope. // dot. There we go. Get rid of that. We don't need any of that anymore. There we go. We were already very close. We were like very, very close. So the only thing is we just have to add a little bit of fuzzing, just a smidgen of fuzzing, and then we got to get going. I know I'm not saying we got to get going. We do eventually. We have to take care of some other things today. So that we are not comparing gravity. Got it. Okay. Got it. Do you check collision during the shake? Yes. See, that's the thing. So we check collision after the shake. So see how we shake it? So this is the shake, right? So we shake it right here. And then we collide. And then we redetermine the collision. And so that's important. We got to do that. That's definitely important. So let's go back to collision here. And then I want to so maybe you could subtract 10 here. See if that works better. Let's see if that works better. I want it to be like perfect. There we go. See how it was perfect? Let's see. Let's double check again. Oh, nope. Just kidding. Is there a reason why? Let's close that back. Let's bring that back. Oh man, you can easily make collision if you. Sorry, that popped over here. So let's see. See, it touched it perfectly. Okay, and we're over here. Let's see here. Yep. Okay. Good there. Okay. What if we do it right here? So see, this is where okay, I get it now. So you can see how the distance is not equal to the radius. The distance is greater. It's because we're calculating the distance between the 2 points, and it works perfectly if I touch it on the side, but if I touch it diagonally, it's not going to work. See if I touch it diagonally? All right, so that's the problem. That's what we got to fix. I can touch it diagonally, but if I touch it right here, it touches perfectly. All right, there we go. Python. No, it's regular Python. It's not Python. It's Python. We're doing fine. So perfect game collision. All right, so then we go over here. And so now we can touch if we touch it diagonally, but if we touch it right there. Okay. So that's the problem. All right, we'll have to fix that later. We do have to get going. Let's touch that right there. Perfect. Okay. So that works. It's just that when we calculate the distance, the distance is greater, or it's not quite right. So I think you have to calculate the distance from the center of the player circle, not from the cursor. The center of the circle is the cursor, right? Right? Isn't it? Wait, the center of the player circle, not right? Am I wrong? Hey, Steven, what are we making today? Hey, Fractal Cow. Hey, how's it going, Fractal Cow? We've added collision detection, so you can see that works really well. It's just not when it's diagonal, and so we got to figure out why. It works kind of okay, but only at these guys. So right around there. Okay, so we got to figure this out. We got to figure out. Whoop. Okay, got it. Okay, so right here. Looks good. Okay. So this is what we need to do. We need to figure out why that doesn't do that right. Distance is your position plus radius. That actually might be it. That might be the clue that we need here. So let's jump back to it. Okay. So here is our proximity function, distance. So this is the distance. Though, I mean, really, we're comparing 2 points. So potentially my proximity function is not perfect. Is it not perfect? Do we need to do something? This is distance. We're calculating distance here. We need to calculate the distance with a circle with a radius. And that's the last thing we got to do. The positions are the center. Yes. They are. I can confirm it. I 100% they are the center. Absolutely, for sure, they are the center. So I can confirm that. So you can see here. You can see the center, and then center. It's all the same, but if we get close from the edge, so that's where we got to fix it. You're right, but when it shakes, the cursor is not in the center anymore. So make the player circle its own thing and make it flow to the cursor. All right. So what I'll do is I'll turn off shake. So that way we know it's not gonna see if shake. Let's say shake equals 0 here. So that way we can eliminate the shake, right? You got to eliminate the shake. Eliminate the size is radius or diameter. It's radius. How deep can you go diagonally? You saw the maximum. It's pretty far. It's almost the player's radius is how far it can be. That's how it is. So we turned off shake. So you can see here. So you can go in there, but it closes there. Let's bring that back here. So here, right? So almost the radius of the player, right? Almost, right? So that's how it is. And that's diagonal. If we do it, let me turn down the speed. Here we go. Let's turn down the speed of let's turn it down. Let's go 3, because we need to test this. We need to test this better. We need to test it better. All right. So see, about almost the radius of the player. From a diagonal perspective. However, if we're not diagonal and we're right above it, boom, it worked. It's almost too. It's because it's not perfect because here, because we did this 10 subtraction here. We did this right here. So this is what we need to fix right here. We need to fix this particular calculation. We need to fix this calculation here. And then we'll go. So see, it works right there. See, it's like perfectly touching. You're comparing the distance of the center of the circle. You need to add radius to get the edges, right? Yes, that's what we got to do. The jam, you're right. Position plus radius. That sounds about right. So let's reduce the speed again. Let's go speed. All right. Let's get the speed down there. Just I'm gonna make it really slow so that way we can easily test it. Let's make sure that works there. Let's make sure that works. All right. So now it's very slow. All right. So I should be able to get right on the. All right, nearly there. So if I get almost there, right? If I get 1 pixel closer, boom, perfect. So it's perfect when it goes that. So now we just need to solve the diagonal. We just got to solve the diagonal. Let's see here. Prox. Here we go. So this is the function that we got to solve. So if we got the two radius, right? The two radiuses. So we're combining the radiuses of the two of the AI and the player, which shows that part works. It's just that this part, maybe the proximity needs to be calculated differently. Do we have to calculate this differently? I think this is the part that we have to do differently. We have to calculate this differently here. So how do we do that? You know what? Let's wait. Did we print that? Okay, let's print. So we've printed the distance here. What I want to do is see. Let's do some math here. We'll do some quick little math here. So we'll see on the screens here. So we see how we got our distance. We see our distance. Our distance is almost 180. And then if we go here, the distance increases. See how the distance is increased? So that's what we got to do. Oh, hey gang, Praveen. Ganga Praveen, thank you for your subscription. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. We're just going to wrap up this one last thing here. So we're just trying to calculate it. So see, the distance is really a lot bigger here when it's over here. When it's diagonal, the distance is really high, right? That's it. When the diagonal, the distance is really high. So this is what we got to fix. And that'll be the end of it. And then we'll be ready to go. What advice would you give a junior level machine learning engineer? I would recommend building projects. Build projects. So if you've already got some machine learning background, you already know what the experience is, you know how to build the different algorithms, you need to build a project. Something that seems like, worthwhile. Something worthwhile. Oh, thank you. X1, X2, distance equals the square. Okay, let's do that. I'm going to do that. I'll use your function. All right, that'll help. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is great. This is perfect. Okay, let's go to the proximity. All right, we're going to do it. We're going to do it this way. XD equals, it'll be X1 minus X2, right? So that's that, right? And then you want, and the distance. Okay, so we don't want to ABS it, maybe? We don't want the ABS, so that's the same. And then the distance, instead of int, it'll be SQRT. I think we have to do, let's see, Python SQRT isn't available, but import math.sqrt. Perfect. There we go. So we need math. Import math. Here we go. Math. Excellent. All right, we'll put that at the bottom. NumPy probably also has it too, right? So let's double check. Import NumPy as np.sqrt. Excellent. Okay, so we'll just use NumPy. We don't need to import extra libraries, you guys. We're good to go. We're good to go there. Okay, so let's see here. There we go. So we'll do np.sqrt xd squared. Okay, got it. So we could do this like this. So we're squaring xd by itself, right? There we go. Like that. Squared. Perfect. Excellent. And then we'll get the int, although square root. Okay, so what was it? pn.sq, or no, sorry, np, numpy.sqrt. There we go. That looks good. Still on the Pytorch logo. Hey, Soki, how's it going, Soki? Welcome on in. We finished the Pytorch logo. We got it. We did it. We actually made it work. We drew it. It was working good. And then we made a game, and it turned out to be a lot of fun. And so we're playing around with it. We're making it better. We're making the game better. All right. So here we've changed our proximity function. So let's see if that works. So I'm just going to return that. There we go. So we got fewer lines of code there. Let me double check. Does that look good? XD equals that times that plus square root. So do we need to absolute the value on it? Do we need to do ABS? Like ABS? I think we might need to ABS it. Maybe. Okay, let's run it. Let's try it. Python game, go. All right, here we go. We need to integer it. Otherwise, we're gonna have issues. That looks good. Yes, that's it. That looks good. That's the solution. Hey, mathematics. Hey, we got mathematics here. Thank you. That was exactly what we needed. Hey, FRS POA. I don't have to say your name, but FRO. Thank you. We did it. No need. The number will be squared. We did it. Oh, so there's no need for ABS. Okay, let's double check it. Let's double check it, guys. No need for ABS. All right, let's close that. All right, let's try it. No need for ABS. All right, it's double checking because it's squared. Yep, looks good to me. You're right. All right, so there we go. No need for ABS. Looking good. All right, just at the edge. Perfect, you guys. All right, let's turn the shake back on. Sudo apt install coming. I know. Huh? Yeah, all right, giblet head. I know what you're saying there. You're trying to make me say things, aren't you? All right, so we got our proximity good. Looks good. Let's add the shake back. And then we're good to go. Let's add the shake back. All right, shake. Looking good. Shake. All right, add and shake back. Excellent. Oh, and then we have to also, where was that? Proximity. We have to do one other thing because we has to be an int. So we have to do int. Here we go. We have to do int. Otherwise, it'll have issues. JavaScript. Happy to see it working, bro. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Is this HTML, CSS, or JavaScript? This is Python. We are doing Python. It looks all like Python. Yep, you got it, Rips. It's like Python. It's Python, bro. You got it. It's Python, you guys. All right, so I think that'll do the trick. Our shake should be back, right? The shake's a little bit intense. Right? It's a little like, it's scary. But it should work. Yep, there it goes. Okay. I'm just going to test it real quick. I'm going to test it. All right, so if we get a little bit too close. Yep, game over because it's too violently shaking. All right, we need to reduce the shaking violence. Because we got to reduce the shaking violence here. All right, so where is the shake at? Shaking. We got to shake it a little bit less. All right, let's reduce the violence there. We'll reduce the shaking violence. Okay. We should also. Looks good. Yep. Okay. All right. Hey, Steven, hope you're doing well. Hey, Kamla, good to see you. We're doing great. We're doing very well. Why is it shaking? It's because it's scary. Is it part of the game? Yeah, because the closer you get to the AI. So see how we're far away from the AI, but then the closer we get, the scarier it gets. The closer, so you got to stay away. Also, the proximity. I think we're good. I think we'll just leave it at that. Although it would be nice if you could stay far enough away where it doesn't shake anymore. I think we're good. So this will give you the understanding that you're not supposed to get close to the AI. But if you do, game over. You guys. If HTML is the code and the CSS decorations, no, it's all Python. It's 100% Python. Ali, it's all Python. If it was HTML, we could do this. If it's HTML. All right, let's bring back the AI's speed really quick. Speed, and then we got to get going, you guys. Here is the speed. We'll bring it back. All right, so we'll do that amount. Is that going to be good enough? That'll be fast enough? All right, looks good. All right, I want it a little bit faster, a smidgen faster, you guys, Let's do 1. We'll do 1 there. So we'll like double it. All right, so that's 10% of the speed. Perfect. All right, so that's still a little too slow. Let's see here. I wanted to ask you about starting a new project. Nice. It sounds like an exciting project. Do you begin with researching other people's code? Sometimes, yeah. And implementing it, how do you draw the line between copying and writing from scratch? The jam, we did it. I know, thank you. We did it, the jam. So the advice, I do recommend reading to see how other people do it. It gives you the idea of how you want to implement it yourself. So it's perfectly fine to go look for inspiration. Look for inspiration first, and then you're good to go. Definitely look for inspiration. All right, I want to increase the speed of the AI just a smidgen more, and then we're good to go. All right. That's still not slow enough. It's still too slow. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. It's a good question. I like it. It's a great question. So let's do 8. Let's do 8 speed. Let's see here. Like, good evening, Stephen. What are we doing? Hey, dependent bot. We're getting our AI game going. So, hey, Kamala, look. Hey, look on the screen, Kamala. What does it say? I don't know if you can read that, but Kamala, check it out. Check it out. Look at there. It's your name. It's your name. It's the player. Buy a programming language book and sit down and read it. That's one way to do it. Rips with me. You could do that. Rips with Migs. You could. Soki, what exactly is the neural network learning here? It's learning to follow the player. It's learning to follow Kamala. It's learning to follow Kamala. Wait, I got to spell your name correctly. Oh, wait, I didn't spell it right. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go back up here. I must have typoed it. Here we go. Let's type it correctly. Kalamata. There we go. Kamalata. There we go. Kamalata. Now your name's there. Kamalata, you're good to go. What exactly is the neural network learning here? It's learning where the player's position is and where its position is. So it knows where its location is and where the player's position is, and then which general direction to head. And then it learns. And it learns every 10 frames. It learns every 10 frames. Right? So if it's every 10 frames, it'll learn. So that's what that does. It learns every 10 frames. All right, you guys, we did it. We're successful. Wait, I want to speed it up one more time. Speed, here we go. Let's make it a little bit faster. Let's go speed 2. That might be a little too fast. And also, it doesn't learn fast enough. Oh, I see, it's a little too fast. All right, let's speed 1. Down, go. Boom, air, go. That's cool, isn't it? All right, speed 1's good. Oh, game over. You already lost. All right, so speed, there we go. Okay, excellent. All right, you guys, thank you everyone for joining. We're headed out now. We had a good stream. We succeeded. We succeeded in getting the collision and proximity detection. That AI is still a little too fast there. That's like too fast. All right, speed 0.5. All right, let's try that. Let's go half speed. Half speed. You're brilliant, dude. Thank you. Thank you, Rips with Migs. Rips with Migs. Thank you. Can this work on Unity? Yeah, 3D, absolutely. In real time, it absolutely can. You're totally right. You can totally do this in real time. So see how the AI is, it's not quite learning enough. Because like it knows that I'm over here. It knows I'm here. Oh, see, it's figuring it out. It's figuring it out, you guys. It's figuring it out. It's coming after us. It's coming after us. It's because it's level 1. It's level 1 AI, and then we're gonna make it really good. It's gonna get us. Oh no, it's gonna get us. Oh no, game over. Game over, you guys. Isn't that great? So the point is learning to get faster when you try to get away from it. It'll learn. Yeah, exactly. It learns where your player's position is, and it learns where its position is, and then it will go. So we know the position. So where is it at? It's just off screen. It's just a smidge off screen here. Oh, it's coming for us. Oh, it's coming for us. It's coming back now. You can't see it, but it's coming. It's coming. Oh, it's coming for us. Yep, you can see it. I'm getting scared. It's scared. Oh no, Kevin's gonna get hurt. Kevin, there you go. Oh, no. Oh, boom, game over. All right. See, there we go. Terminator is making. It is, right? It's the Terminator. It's the Terminator, you guys. All right. Thank you, everyone, for joining. We're headed out now. We succeeded in making the game playable and actually kind of fun. And what we need to do next is add levels and sound effects, and then we're done. And then we're done, you guys. Oh, we'll probably add some multiplayer to it, too. We might add some multiplayer. A little bit of multiplayer. There it goes. Oh, gotta get out of the way. See, it doesn't know. It doesn't know where we're at. It doesn't know. Oh, no, it's finding us. It's finding us. It's coming. It's coming back. Oh no, get out of the way. All right, just moving ever a smidge. A little smidge. See, it's actually AI. It's actually learning how to find us. There it goes. Oh, game over. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining the stream. I'm headed out now. It was good to see you. We'll be back tomorrow for more game development, more AI, and things like that. All right, see you, everyone. Have a good rest of your day.